I didn't know in advance what my dad was going to say. I didn't know how much he was going to share.
This is my first gay wedding, by the way. And for many of you, this might be your first gay wedding to attend. Back in 1997, I was one of the luckiest father around. My son was valedictorian, spelling bee champion, UT Plan 2, playing the great job as a Romeo, and he actually fooled me because he actually did a good job as a Romeo and Juliet. Everybody else has a girlfriend here and a girlfriend there and this and that. And I said, Parag is such a pure guy. Man, I'm so lucky. On 27th March at 4:25 p.m. on that Friday night, Parag had a very small speech. Dad and Mom, I'm gay. I have known it since I was 10 years old. I thought I was confused, but I'm beginning to realize that I am gay. I thought I will hide my being gay until you die, so you won't be embarrassed. I tried to commit suicide while I was in the high school, but I did not succeed. Thank God for that. But last week I was discussing in the class, and there was another Indian girl, and I blurted out, I am gay. So I knew the news will come to you sooner or later. Therefore, I'm telling you I'm gay. The whole thing was like 3-minute speech. From the best of the time, our life went to the worst of the time. And I was a very homophobic person. There is no question about it. So I thought there is no big deal. I'll fix him. I'll find the best treatment center in the country. I'll find the cure for it, and I'll handle it. Monday morning, I was the first person to enter the medical library. And I pulled out all the cumulus medicus. And then I suddenly realized in 30 minutes that American Psychological Association back in 1973 had declared that gay people is not a disease, it is not a defect, it is not to be cured, it is not contagious. And if you accept somebody is gay, your child is not likely to be more gay than otherwise. I asked a simple question. Do I love my son any less at 4:31 than I loved him at 4:24? And a long pause, and the answer was no, I still love him the same. So then I wrote a letter. And when I wrote a letter, this is what I did. I said, who will be the 50 people who have played the important role in Parag's life? Some of them were very conservative, and I knew that they will freak out when they heard it. So I kind of thought, okay, maybe 50% of the people would not talk to me. And my life would really be isolated. What to do? Again, a few minutes later, the answer came very simple. I said, Vijay, if there are 50% of the people who don't want to talk to you, maybe they don't need to be in your life. Why don't you stick with the other 50% who will be with you?
I remember the day that I met Vaibhav, although I don't remember it the way he does because I was dancing in the Pride Parade. It wasn't until a couple of days later when I got a poke on Facebook. Who pokes on Facebook?
And I think there was a moment that we shared where he came and danced with me, and it was just, I was mesmerized. I was like, who is this guy? I need to find out who he is.
Jainism is a very ancient religion from India. The roots of it are about 3,000 years old. It revolves around two main tenets. It's non-violence and truth. Jain weddings or Hindu weddings are similar, but not as similar, like some of the rituals are different.
It had never occurred to us that a same-sex couple could have the same kind of weddings that his brother or so many of my cousins had had. There was no template when we started this, but we wanted to create a template that others could use. And so we certainly asked a lot of advice from other gay couples who are South Asian and had elements of this in their weddings. But we also wanted to invent some of our own.
He he basically sat down with us and he went through the entire script, the regular scripts that he follows, and I basically suggested gender neutral rituals that we could do.
Also, the idea of having 2 barats. So barat is when the groom enters, usually like in a car or on a horse, or in India on an elephant, and we came in on 2 horse carriages. Hopefully people will look at that and say, oh, that's how you do it. That's how that can be done. You can have 2 dole players, which are the drummers. You can have a DJ set up speakers on both sides.
One of the best things that came out of our wedding was the amount of outpouring of love that we received from people around the world. 2 brown men getting married. You know, what did you do? How did you do it? Can you help me also? Can you help me come out to my family? What do I do? How do I find that life partner? And
Our stories matter. And that when we lead with love, I think the end decision is always the right one. And that was true for my dad. That is certainly true for the 2 of us.
I love you.
I love you too.